This gorgeous apartment on the famous Joan De Borbo is an apartment that Casamona sells. It is a great investment and easy to rent out. Located just in front of the Port Vell, it boasts an amazing view of the harbour. The apartment has one bedroom, and as the space is open plan, you can easily make it into 2 bedrooms. The kitchen was recently renovated and they have opened up the room. Because the room is larger, there is more light coming in. The loft has natural light all day long. The renovation has turned it into an open kitchen, so you can cook and enjoy the view of the harbour, but also have an overview of the whole loft. The loft still retains its beautiful old Catalan style ceiling, which has exposed wooden beams and an arch-shaped series of bricks, as well as the charming Catalan tiles on the floor. Also, not all the walls are plastered. This way, the original wall of the apartment is exposed. Because some walls are not covered, the space looks bigger and you can see the adjacent details such as window casings. What we also love in this loft is the cute balcony with the stunning view of Port Vell. The balcony is completely closed so that you can enjoy your coffee in it at all seasons. It is also in a sun trap, so it will always be sunny in your loft. There is a community terrace at the top of the building. On one side of the rooftop you have a view of Barcelona and the city, and on the other side it is an amazing view of the harbour.